My name is Anita Lampel. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm the co-chair of the Montgomery County Leadership Council, as well as the Community Building and Education team. It's a pleasure to see all of you here tonight to celebrate our community and the work we do together. We've had an extraordinary year in so many ways, and I'm excited to share with you a video of some of the highlights of the past year, especially lifting up the many ways in which we have successfully pivoted to be effective in the time of COVID.
My name is Dana Lande. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm the district captain for District 17 in Montgomery County. My ninth graders are learning how to be effective advocates through a partnership between Boni Mot Tzedek and JUFJ. We had an important victory back in the spring for government transparency and accountability. When COVID-19 hit, the County Council wanted to eliminate live public testimony entirely. JUFJ took the lead in successfully pressing for open access and real-time testimony so that JUFJ and our partners have been able to make our voices heard in Rockville, even when we can't be there in person. We innovated by hosting Zoom watch parties for key council hearings and work sessions so that we can all be together virtually to listen, discuss, and strategize, all while communicating with our legislators on social media. We have been working steadily all year with the MORE Network to advocate for robust community involvement and sufficient funding for the county's new racial equity and social justice policy. We've joined partners at Silver Spring Justice Coalition, Young People for Progress, and Racial Justice Now to work to end racist policing in Montgomery County. Before COVID-19, we pushed for a civilian commission to weigh in on county policing policies, with designated seats for young people, who are one of the most over-policed communities in our county. We and our partners successfully blocked the expansion of county police into middle schools this spring, and together we have called for removing police from all schools in the county. We helped organize a massive COVID-safe car rally to demand justice for Finan Burhi, who was killed by the county police in May. Over the summer, we and our partners successfully advocated for legislation to limit police use of force and for funding to send mental health professionals instead of police to respond to mental health crises. More recently, JUFJ took the lead in forming a strong coalition of community groups, unions, nonprofits, and students to oppose damaging, regressive local ballot questions. These questions were designed to prevent the county from raising revenue under any circumstances, even in a time of crisis like COVID, and to remove the at-large council members, which reduces the number of votes each person has from 5 to 1. It is hard to get people fired up about wonky issues like local property taxes and councilmanic districts, but our coalitions had a big impact. And this is no small thing in distanced coalition work. We had a lot of fun working together to make it all happen.
And here is the exciting update. We won all 4 of the Montgomery County ballot questions. This is a major victory for equity and representation in our county, and the change to our tax code will help us fund a just recovery from COVID. We are so proud of the work we did to win these ballot questions, and we are fired up for the important work to come.